Sipping on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she make it deal, make it deal, make it deal, make it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crown K. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please feel free to stick around, hit that subscribe button, so you know whenever I do upload. To my returning babies, what's good? I missed y'all guys. Today's video is a wig review, and this wig review is by Alipearl. They sent me this amazing wig to review for y'all, and these are the free gifts. The usual headscarf, elastic band, an edge brush, wig caps, and a satin bag to store your wigs in. I'm a sucker for satin bags. I always keep them. And guys, this is their 26-inch deep wave wig, and this is their 5x5 lace closure wig. The waves on this is so nice. And on the inside of the wig, guys, you have adjustable straps as well as combs, the usual. And I'm super hyped about this wig because it's a 5x5 closure. It's less work than a frontal. So if you were not good at frontals, this would be a good wig for you to get. For the closure area, I'm going in with my Sally Hansen spray tan legs, and I'm using the Light Glow, and I'm spraying that with some Got2b free spray just to seal it. And I'm just using that so the lace can look more skin-like, because I will not be bleaching the knots or anything. And then I'm just going in with my eyebrow razor to cut off the extra lace. And guys, this hair is 180% density, and I got this in a medium wig cap, and this is Swiss lace, and this is in a medium brown color. To secure this wig, guys, I'm gonna go in with just some free spray, because this is a closure unit. You could always glue it down, and it could mimic that of a frontal, because it is a 5x5 lace closure. 5x5s are the new wave. 4x4s ain't cutting it no more. 5x5, you have mad space. You could do this in the center part, you could do this on the side, or however you want to part it. It gives you a lot of options. And I like how the side of the wig is, you don't see the tracks. It's super neat, where the closure isn't. They did that so neat. You don't see any tracks, so it literally lays. As long as you lay your wig and then make some baby hairs, it really looks like you have a whole frontal on when it's only a closure. So this is definitely versatile. You can rock it on the side or rock it in the center, or however you want to do your part. And as I said, I'm just using my free spray just to hold it down so it looks super neat, and it mimics that of a frontal. And yeah, I'm using my blow dryer on cool, and I'm just gonna spray that and cool until I get it laid and secured. And you might have to go over this a few times. You know how Got2b free spray is, sometimes it sticks, sometimes it don't. I don't know, but yeah, I'm just doing that a few times until I get everything just nice and flat. And this hair is super simple in terms of styling. I love me some curly hair. It's the summertime. Get you some curly hair, because curly hair lasts, unlike straight hair in the summertime with the humidity that's outside. Curly hair is definitely a go. And I'm just trying to find my center. I'm here again with the center part. If you've been watching like my recent videos, I don't know what's been going on, guys, but I can't seem to find my center. Every single time I try to do a center part, it's like never directly on center. But I feel like this is in the center. Like, let me know down below, but I feel like this one is in the center, and I'm just like trimming up those hairs with like my eyebrow razor. And I'm gonna take the tweezer and like tweeze the hairs a little bit, and I'm just gonna make some baby hairs. And I'm using the Tresemme mousse to make the baby hairs. So I'm just using like a little bit of mousse to make the baby hairs so they aren't like hard and weird looking. And yeah, after the baby hairs, I'm literally just gonna go in with like water in my spray bottle and some mousse, and I'm gonna just like comb that through the hair and detangle with my fingers. And that's basically like all I will do for styling. And guys, I did not go in with my hot comb for this unit because honestly, I have like 3 burns on my forehead right now that I'm nursing. So I did not want to go in with a hot comb with like, because it would be like a high chance of me like burning myself. So I decided to not to go in with a hot comb. And in the future, I feel like I'm gonna be doing all the like hot comb work off camera and then just like come on before I put the wig on, because I be burning myself so bad. If y'all are using hot tools, be careful. I feel like I'm just like very clumsy. I always burn myself. But yeah, because this is a curly wig, I got away without using the hot comb. You know how the hot comb gets the front of your wig like super laid, but I did get away with it because this is a curly unit. But yeah, guys, this is like the finished style. Like, let me know down below your thoughts. I really like this curly hair. Like, I'm a sucker for curly hair. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and most importantly, subscribe, guys. Make sure you're subscribing. We're trying to get to 50K. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.